Hello everyone and welcome back to uGenesys. In today's session, I'll showcase a swift and essential technique for calculating lot sizes in just 2 seconds. Recognizing the importance of this calculation is key to maintaining a consistent equity curve in your trading journey. By consistently managing your risk, you lay the foundation for steady growth in your trading account. And instead of relying on external tools like spreadsheets, I'll guide you through the quickest method directly on your MT5 platform. And to begin, let's integrate our Market Keys Trade Manager to our chart. And adjusting your stop loss is quick and easy. Let's set this at 20 pips, and let's put our risk at 5% and hit calculate. And you can see it automatically calculates the lot size for us, and we have a total of 8.17 lots. And armed with this lot size, you can make well-informed decisions when entering trades. And clicking on Sell reveals this graphical representation on the chart. And here you can fine-tune and adjust your stop loss and your target, as well as your risks to reward ratio. And beyond our Execute tab, there's a Manage tab for handling trades, a Stats tab to monitor trades, and a Secure tab to prevent overtrading. And so to access our Market Keys Trade Manager, you can click on the link in the description below. Thank you once again for joining us, and happy trading!